I ordered some more cheap stuff, so let's unbox them. The total sum was like $6. Ah, $8 depending on the exchange rate, whatever. About $7. So let's see. Four packages. Let's open this one first because I know what this is. I mean, I know what it should be. It should be a saw blade, circular saw blade, and really hard to open. I'm doing it off camera because somebody wrapped it really tight. Oh boy. It's a really huge bag. And here's the product. An 11.5 centimeter blade. It doesn't there's no English on it, just Czech or something. I don't know what these letters are. So yeah, the product number is G00050. Nice Michelin Man look-alike or something. And yeah, bunch of warnings that I don't understand because I don't speak the language. Yeah, you have to use safety gear. Nice. Here's the... Oh, it's Polish. Gecko.pl. So yeah, product number, whatever. So this is a wood saw blade. It's kind of nice. Looks kind of cheap. Feels a bit cheap. But yeah, this was $1. Oh boy, the blade is very sharp. So I'll just leave it in the bag. It's hurting my hand just as I touched it. So yeah, I have to make saw for this. I have a 20-volt DC motor, and I hope to make that table saw. I need a good enough power supply that can supply at least 100 or 200 watts. Probably a PC power supply. Probably 12 volts only. But yeah, that should work fine. A DC motor from an electric drill. So yeah, this is this is nice for $1. Really nice. This should be a deodorant, $2 because it's summertime and men sweat. Yeah, whatever. It's from AVON. $2. Oh no, this was $3. That's kind of a lot. Let me just put this back here in its protective case. Oh, oh, it's really sharp. Yeah, I have to think of some safety features for the saw. This, I even forget what this should be. Oh, yeah, also for woodworking. This should be, what do you call it? A manual CNC, a router bit. Yeah, I think that's what it's called. Man, they wrapped it. These are maniacs. Shipping people at companies. Oh yeah, this is really nice. So it has a hexagonal, or what do you call it, end here. So you can use it with an electric drill. I mean screwdriver, and it's for wood. KD 1121-2 professional. I sorry, this is funny. It's not professional. Come on, it's a $1 thing. Yeah, professional. Craft and Dili professional. Obzonish Gabrzyzbyd, whatever. I don't speak that language. I don't know what it is. Polish probably. Czech, whatever. Okay. So this will be interesting. I won't open it right now. I'll make a review after I used it for a while. Yeah, it seems kind of. This is not how it looked. This seems like a. Yeah, kind of primitive. I thought it was gonna be with bigger teeth, but yeah, I'll have to try that. And also for safety, here's a big package. This was like $3. Hopefully the size is good. Oh boy, it smells awful. So yeah, safety gear for $3. Foam slippers. Yeah, slippers that don't slip. Yeah, seems kind of nice. $3, my size. I'm not going to show you, but yeah, it's what I ordered. I'm gonna start using it right now and hopefully no accidents. Starting now.